Okay, so I'm here trading live today, guys. This is late, but I just have to, and that's my zone which I'm observing. Okay, that's the possible buy zone I'm observing for gold. For now, it has been totally late today, but what else have we? All right, so um that's the possible buy zone I have here. Just possible for now. I haven't been on the charts today. Okay, so we have something like this, and if we get a break out of here, get retest into back into the zone, and gold might push back down. But aside that, this is my possible buy zone for now. I see it coming back from here back to here. Okay, so those are the two things I have to see on gold today. See what it has to do. For now, this is the only thing I'm seeing. Well, the 4 hours time frame is actually showing to sell. 4 hours time frame is actually showing sell. Well, I had to narrow it down to 15 minutes time frame just to get a little buy. But I haven't traded throughout today. It hasn't been a good day for me. I wasn't active. I've been off. Well, if it doesn't come back into this buy zone, then just call it a day. There's no need to force trades, okay? So today, as I haven't even traded, I only traded at early morning time. But meanwhile, let's check. This Bitcoin was a place I dropped this sell zone, that main sell zone. That should be yesterday, right? I dropped this main sell zone, and it came into there, went outside, took out, and then came back, and you can see it tested there. Let's draw a cycle there. See, tested there into the zone, and boom, can see from where it is now, from here down to here. So that was why I was still in a sell early morning time. Okay, so which means sometimes my zones are active, but it needs more confirmation. It's left for you you would have said, okay, it has entered the zone, take sell. But look at what he did. It broke out, and as for long as it breaks out, it's expected to bounce back and continue buying. But it didn't bounce back, and then came back to break the second time. And this is the main sell zone, and it came back, tested, and boom. So now look at where it's now heading, to the main buy zone I had earlier. Okay, that's Bitcoin for you. I think I have a trade on that. Okay, I'm just gonna do before and after for that. So that's Bitcoin. But for gold, well, my possible buy zone, I don't know, doesn't want to get there, just trying to buy already, which doesn't sound good. But I'm gonna buy from there. If it comes back to here, I'm gonna buy. Okay, so that's my possible buy zone, which is that 344. That's where it is. Let's see how many people are live. Okay, that's 4 people. Okay, welcome everyone. Go 1 hour live here, and go another 1 hour on TikTok. So that's that for good. Even if it doesn't get here, it breaks above here, then to keep flying. Meanwhile, Bitcoin, on the other hand, reacted that soon. Let me check how I dropped it in the Telegram channel. Bitcoin. I didn't send it. Oh. Okay, that is if anyone is still in this setup. We are not here to trade Bitcoin. Actually, we are here to trade gold. Oh my god, that's crazy. Well, what I was waiting for did not work. Good as only as rockets has moved up way beyond our thoughts. Okay. Anybody that was okay? Yeah, I dropped. This was the setup I dropped earlier for gold. Okay, this was it. It wasn't even on 15 minutes time frame, it was on 1 hour time frame. But Xauusd did was dirty. You can see that was the setup I dropped first for good. Well, look what it did. Okay, it did something dirty there. That was the main setup I dropped for good around here. I said impatient setup, and just look what impatient setup costs. Yeah, I think we entered around here. Yeah, we entered around here, and he gave only 100 pips before reversing to hit break even, and then coming back to test the strong support that couldn't break till today, and then reversing backwards. Let me say something too. Doubt if anybody will. That was why I came back to give this possible buy zone, but well, Xauusd has done what it wants to do. It might even come back to sell from here. Well, I think there was a news, right? There might be a news for this big push on Xauusd. Wasn't observant. There might have been a news for this push. That was my possible buy zone, but Xauusd has done what it wanted to do. Then I'm gonna say I doubt if anyone is still in this setup. Copy. Well, we're still live, so that still doesn't change anything. If I see any setup that's to catch the trend on Xauusd, I'll definitely do that. But for now, I'm not gonna say buy, I'm not gonna say sell. I'm just gonna be looking, because coming back to here, let's do it like this. Come back to here was where Xauusd sold because of these zones here. That was where Xauusd sold because of this. So it should definitely sell from here, but today I'm not ready to trade today. It should sell from here back to this buy zone, but I'm not ready to trade today. I have these two zones I've been monitoring, either this or this. So I'm not just in the mood to trade today. Let's just rest my head. Okay. Well, if it takes out this, then we're gonna look to sell upward here. Okay, I just want to be stubborn here, just to scalp. Let's say, where is that rectangle? Let's scalp in here. That's taking it out. Let's scalp in here. Scalp cell. I'm gonna scalp cell here. What number is that? That's 3371. Okay, scalping signal on live. Reply now. Scalping signal on live.
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Close my profits. Well, it's almost there. I'm gonna scalp, and my stop loss, it's gonna be 74. Xauusd 3374. Okay. SL is gonna be 3374. So I'm not risking more than anything here. I was in buy, which I'm trying to take my profits. Okay. So that's where I'm gonna sell. That's it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. iPhone to iPhone. Where is that scalp sale? That's 371. Mind you, this is according to TradingView. Your broker might not be exactly where TradingView is showing. So I'm just trying to set my sell limits. Okay. Just trying to set my sell limits. Okay. I think already on 30 minutes it's showing right there on that zone. We still have, this is an FVG here, which good will want to, okay, that's an FVG there, which good would want to respect to go back, but don't care about FVG. No, I care. Come on, don't leave my sell zone. Ah, if I had used 30 minutes, I think I would have gotten this range, but use 50 minutes. So let's see what 50 minutes has to offer. We're gonna wait, okay? There's no need to rush into the market. 33, 65.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions,
No data. Come on. What's wrong? Okay, excellent. So here we are. Well, let's wait for it. Let's see. Already in 30 minutes, it has already respected a supply zone there, but I don't see it much more valid. I just want to wait for it in 15 minutes and see what we missed. Let's see, this is GBPG Pro I taken out already. That's good, yeah, already out. This is the zone that it respected that is trying to sell, but already I marked it in 15 minutes time frame, so that's why I'm not looking at that side. I'm waiting for the 15 minutes zone to tap so that it will be a sniper entry. If we miss that, then it's okay not to trade than to enter a losing trade. Okay, so actually in 30 minutes this should be what I should see. I should have seen in 30 minutes here. Okay, and it taps just a little tapping, and but I'm not seeing that. I'm seeing just 15 minutes time frame. It's better for me. So let's wait for that. If it doesn't get there, or if it gets there and hits our stop loss, it's fine. I think even 34 stop loss is too big. Let's see. 33 stop loss will be better. But since I'm entering on 71.4, I'm risking 25 pips. Okay. Good. And stop loss is gonna be 74. Good. So let's see what good has to offer. Just risking 25 pips. Who is active? Who is active? Who is active? Let me hear you. You active? Are you active? Say hi. I'm active, bro. Just drop a hi. Even a like will be better for me. You're active. Are you active? Say hi. Are you active? Just say hi. Okay. Well, just a tapping and it's back. I'm just gonna wait for it. It's better. 25 pips only. Oh, just playing with the numbers because I'm kind of bored. Let me put the setup down here. Okay, that's it. We're gonna wait for it here. I'm just putting it now, see if it's actually valid, but that's it here. 74. Okay, so scalp sell, and that's it. Is that right? Maybe calling me loyalty. Good. So that's it. It's here, waiting for us here. Hey. We are waiting there. You see, Papa. Almost there. Almost. Approaching zone. Few peeps to zone. Okay. So it's in there. I'm gonna take first early entry. Good. So in there, I'm gonna take my first. I'm gonna take my first early entry. Is that? So I've made an entry in that zone. Early entry made. If it's the zone, check live, check. I'm just risking 25 pips for this setup, not risking more than that. Okay, so snap the big head. Okay, that's some rocket there. So it has activated. My stop loss is 34. Stop loss is gonna be 34. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Oh, the top field. That was close, guys. At 374. Well, 25 piece won't hurt me, although it's a loss, but what else can I do? Takes me out, that's fine. I'm only risking 25 pips, so there's no long story about that. Okay. Hello. Hi. We're just trying to struggle with good right now. But still doesn't mean anything. That was close. Right now we're just gonna be saying, please go back to break even, go back to profit, because that was crazy, guys. That push was mad. Well, nothing to say. Shooting star, got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get to glance. I'm ready to eat up track like Okay, that's a failure. Even on live. Fortunately, our scalping zone failed. Unfortunately, our scalping signal failed. Negative 5 piece was lost. Okay. Well, that's that. Of course, it has plummeted. So today isn't my lucky day. Unfortunately, so that was some kind of rocket there. Should have bought, but from the below instead of scalping. But well, it is what it is. Where is it now? So I'm just gonna take this out. And then let me see the other setup, which was on 1 hour time frame. So today isn't our lucky day, guys. Look at this setup. Came back to take us out, tapped us out, and boom. Look at where it's heading to. Crazy. My God. So what else can I say? Sorry guys, we can as well wait for here to sell again. Okay, can as well wait for this to sell again. Meanwhile, this was well, I'm still gonna sell here. I'm gonna wait for it here. That's 88, and my stop loss is gonna be here, 92. Okay, so I'm gonna sell here. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. I'm gonna sell at that zone at 388, and my stop loss is gonna be at 93. Okay, let's just say 89. You make me Okay. Whoa. A whole time. New cell zone found. Okay. Oh. Holy crap. Yep, cell limit set. I'm just gonna be risking 50 pips for this one. Okay, so let's see what good has to offer. Do I? Why do I, baby? Why do I? Do I, baby? Why do I? Some big loss there. Deep dive. Gosh. All right, we're still waiting. Still waiting for this next sales zone, guys. That is, and it is what it is. Okay. Lost 25 pips today. That's nice. I'm gonna make it back.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
I'm losing my patience. Casting on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Okay. So good as missed that zone. That's sad.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you want to travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in
Uh-oh. Well, as it stands, I have my battery getting low. So we just have to drop it in the Telegram channel as the new sell zone, and you should sell there. So thanks for joining this live. I'll be ending here, and that's that for today. Today didn't go as planned, but it is what it is. Okay, it's exactly 1 hour on clock, and here we're gonna end it. Okay, so thank you everyone.